Oh shit. There we go. Here. Now I'm thinking maybe we should have started the vlog earlier, but it still works.
Ooh, yes. We got our friend Pablo in the back. He's protecting the car while we sleep. And his defense chickens. Fucking Miata. Fuck yeah.
This is an interesting Airbnb to say the least.
Steal that plastic bag.
Merge onto I-195 East.
Yeah, Lex is probably the top. Let's follow GTR. I feel like he knows what he's doing. Yeah. Decent.
Unload off the street, find a parking, and then you bring the car in. But I recommend unload, have one of your guys bring the car in, and then figure out your truck later. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, you know, like there's a parking for the trailer and the.
They said they were
Get your knife.
Ink it like it owes money.
Fuck it up. Oh, you pushed it down? I was pulling it up. Usually causes a problem. I'm gonna start the car first so it warms up for whoever drives it.
So what do you do with the Mercedes and the trailer?
I gotta find somewhere to park. I'm hoping I can park over there. I don't know how much that's gonna be, but you know, fuck it. We could have left the trailer disconnected, taken the car off like you guys were saying, and they aren't gonna park it.
So is this thing gonna fucking stall out on you?
First time driving Dan's Miata. Let's try not to blow this bitch up. Oh my. God damn.
POV waiting for the fire marshals to do their job. So we can go back in the building.
I am so sorry.
That's okay. I got a 14 Pro Max. We're fine. I mean, this car that just came out a long time ago.
Dan, the man.
Freak hair.
That's what I'm going to take off.
Alright, driver Dan just got the fucking Miata all posted up.
I thought I had a flag.
Dan, you've been waiting for this moment for a couple weeks now. How do you feel?
Slightly underwhelmed, but we're already here, so we're gonna make the most of it. All that stress for nothing. All that stress for nothing, huh, Dan? Oh yeah. Dude, we got lung cancer already.
I'm slowly getting high the longer I stay in here.
I'm gonna end up falling over. Bro, gangsters.
We are all currently starving. We should have ate before we left the Airbnb. But no, this is fucking nuts. I'll throw some pictures on the screen for the vlog. Gentlemen, how we feeling?
Starving. I'm gonna buy a $14 hot dog and taco bowl. I want a beer.
Why buy a $14 hot dog when you can go to Costco and get a hot dog for $1.50
With a free drink.
with a free drink?
That tastes like piss. What'd you do in Miami? We just complained about the prices. $80 for parking.
Oh yeah, fuck that.
Buddy.
So there's a lot of fire Mazdas in the building. Wait, do you guys take gas here in Florida? That's gas? You would say that. You would say that. Best Mazda with a 99 RX-7, Andy Rios. Did you guys see that blue FD?
Almost won. We almost won. We were this close. It's alright. They just don't have any taste. That's all. So close. How would you rate this year's Tunerevo? I'd say it's a solid 8 out of 10. Alright, that's good. I'd go to another one. Maybe I'm here to see one. You heard that from the man himself. I'll save that video.
Oh my god. Holy shit. He almost just slid off. Oh fuck. That ain't going anywhere. You gotta back that bitch up. Or you have to, Damn, dude. Your first thoughts on Miami?
I want to kill myself.
Kosta, we have any thoughts about Miami?
This fucking place sucks. Don't let Dan pick Airbnb again.
Don't let Dan pick the Airbnb. Kosta's not coming on the next trip.